Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best chisel sharpening kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Chisel Sharpening Kit with Honing Guide and Diamond Stone. If you're new to sharpening, the Chisel Kit's integrated angle guide takes the guesswork out of achieving a consistent bevel every time. The aluminum honing jig accommodates tool widths from 1 chisels to 2, 3 to 4, securing most chisels and plane blades firmly. The double-sided diamond stone, 400 grit for reshaping, 1000 grit for fine honing, cuts fast and never needs flattening. Everything packs into a flannel storage pouch with a protective stone cover. Weighing just 1.85 lb, it's toolbox friendly. Rated 3.85 across 27 reviews, it's a practical, no-fuss starting point for building solid sharpening habits. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Chisel Sharpening Kit with Diamond Honing Stones. Who needs the most versatile chisel sharpening kit? Yedazel's all-metal kit delivers 5 diamond stones spanning 400 to 1200 grit, letting you progress from coarse material removal to a razor-sharp edge. The honeycomb surface channels metal filings away, keeping cuts consistent. The aluminum alloy honing guide adjusts for chisels and plane irons, locking in 25-degree or 30-degree bevels with precision. You can also sharpen scissors and kitchen knives, making it useful beyond the workshop. Weighing 15.2 Oz and ranked number 344 in sharpening stones, it's a compact, capable kit worth serious consideration. At number 3, we have the Chisel Sharpening Jig with Honing Guide and Stones. Woodworkers seeking precision will find our editor's choice delivers exactly that. The Go Helper jig clamps blades ranging from 0.1 to 2.8 inches wide, setting bevel angles between 10 degree and 45 degrees using a built-in gauge. No guesswork needed. You'll get 2 diamond stones, 400 and 1000 grit for reshaping and honing, with optional 3000 to 8000 grits for polished, razor-sharp edges. The CNC machined aluminum body resists rust, while laser-etched markings stay readable in low light. Setup is straightforward. Set your angle, lock the block, insert the blade, tighten the screw, and roll. Rated 4.65 across 605 reviews. At number 2, we have the GOINGMAKE Honing Guide System Chisel Sharpening Kit. Chasing the most precise edge on your chisels and planes demands the right honing system. The GOINGMAKE Honing Guide system handles chisels from 532s to 380 and offers 13 preset angles ranging from 15 degrees to 45 degrees, giving you exceptional sharpening flexibility. Its aluminum alloy, brass, and stainless steel construction guarantees lasting durability. 4 brass rollers, 2 short, 2 long, keep your blade stable and square throughout every stroke. The included angle gauge confirms your setup quickly. Rated 4.3 stars across 372 reviews and ranked number 139 in sharpening stones. It's a reliable, compact kit worth adding to your woodworking bench. And finally, at number 1, we have the Honing Guide Sharpening Jig and Whetstone Set Kit. If you're hunting for outstanding value, the Duduxi Honing Guide Sharpening Jig and Whetstone Set Kit delivers for hobbyist woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its widened roller system prevents slipping, while dual clamping grooves handle everything from large planer blades to short chisels. Scale markings eliminate guesswork, letting you lock in precise angles quickly. The anti-slip knob with dual directional pressure locking keeps your tool firmly secured throughout sharpening. The included diamond whetstone covers both ends of restoration, the 400 grit coarse side repairs nicks, and the 1000 grit fine side polishes to a mirror finish without swapping stones. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.